guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I got this itty bitty little package from Fat Quarter Shop. This was a Fat Quarter Shop emergency order. Is there such a thing? Sometimes it feels like it, right? So I had gotten the Fabulous House cross stitch pattern, but sadly, it didn't really seem to go on any of the fabrics that I had on hand. So I ordered this blue fabric. It's fiber on a whim, and I think the color was topaz. Yes, it's 16 count, and the color is topaz. I thought this would look really pretty with that cottage one for the Fabulous House. So that's my thoughts. I want it to look like sky, and now I can get started on it. I also got this tiny little skein of floss because the pattern called for 2 and I just didn't want to run out. So I figured I'm just going to have an extra one. And if I have an extra left over at the end, no problem. It's a very pretty color. It looks great for leaves. So I'm not worried about that. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.